vibe, I'm just trying to make 'em mad. Oops, my bad. In this rap game, I'm a thoroughbred. I might be last of a dying breed. I'm trying to see how much money I can sprout from the money tree. It's E or B-A-N. Boy, I'm eating things that normally not found in my habitat. Trying not to wind up being placed at the bottom of the food chain. I'm still me, a little older, a little wiser. I became, I'm trying to gain little yardage. It's fourth and goal. I see my goal, so I shoot it like a free throw basket. Hey, look, I'm still riding to the top. I'm just stuck in the 5 o'clock traffic. Shout out to those who support me and the whole GME. I see, I ain't blind. For those who don't want me to shine, like a ticket from a cop, I'ma be just fine. Hey, I seen your girl from the other day. She stressed, she looking for some me time. Looking for someone who love her for what she worth. Yep, the love that you gave her, she feel like it's a curse. Yeah, ladies gotta love a man for what he is, even if he ain't shit. It ain't working, then move on. See, I'm caught in same situation. My heart racing, trying to find my way back to love. See, I'm knocking on the door, but love ain't answering because she fed up. Now I'm trying to keep my head up. Homie tell me, don't roll up. I'm like, hold up, trying to get my mind right. I found myself getting addicted to this limelight. Pray for me, I ain't been to church in a while, and Satan been busy. Sometimes I feel like death just missed me. And they say, what don't kill you make you stronger. So I can't fall weak. The Lord is my shepherd and